Hi guys, my name is Chef Ken.
Chef Jewel.
Chef Jewel of the Kids Can Cook Kitchen. So today we are making scotched egg. We are making scotched
Egg.
So Jewel, what do we have here?
Sausage.
Sausage, we have
Spice.
we have
Flour.
and we have
Breadcrumbs.
breadcrumbs, and we have
Egg.
an egg, and we have water. Okay, we'll be using boiled eggs. We'll be using boiled.
Eggs.
Take your egg, boil it for 12 to 15 minutes. 12 to 15. Okay, Jewel, dip the egg in. Nice. So after 12 to 15 minutes, we'll remove and peel our eggs. Okay? Yeah. So Jewel, can you peel an egg?
Yes.
You can peel an egg.
Yes.
Okay, I'll show you how to peel an
I
egg.
know.
You know how to peel an egg?
Sure.
So after 15 minutes, our eggs are done. Our eggs are
Yeah.
yeah. So we'll be peeling our eggs. So the egg to cool, then we'll.
It's not hot.
It's not hot. Okay. Let me show you.
I know.
Uh-huh. Crack all round. Crack all round. Then peel. No, not this. Peel. Then we peel. Okay, let me remove the peels of the egg. Good girl, good girl. Hey, so you can peel an egg. Yeah, very nice. Yes, make sure there are no shells. Let me see, lift it up. Wow, the egg is done and clean. Okay, so we have our peeled eggs. We have our peeled.
Eggs.
So the next step is we will be removing the case from our sausage.
Sausage.
Yes, deconstruct the sausage since we are using sausage. The next step is we have some flour on our chopping boards. So the next process is we will knead our sausage like chapati, yes, mix. After deconstructing our sausage or removing the case, we knead our sausage like chapati, and we add some spices and flour. Okay, now knead, then roll it. Then on the chopping board, now flatten it. Very flat. As you turn, if it sticks, you turn. Okay. You need some more flour. Yes, this. Our oil is heating because we'll use deep frying method to deep fry our scotched egg. As we continue, our oil is heating. Okay. Why we added flour? So that our sausage does not stick on the chopping board. Okay. Just dust. It's like you're making a You want to dust your hands? Okay. Yes. Dust, dust, dust. So make it as flat as possible. Good girl. Now we'll have our boiled eggs. Our boiled at the center. Then you cover. Cover. Cover it. Yes, let me help you. If the sausage is sticking, don't forget to do what?
Put flour.
To put some flour. To put some. So what you do is you roll round and round, round and yes, round and round, round and yes. Make sure the sausage covers the egg. Remember we boiled our eggs and peel them round and round. Make sure the flour covering. Let me see yours. Is yours round and round?
Yeah, mine is
Round and round, round and. Our next step, we'll make or mix some egg wash. Okay? Have an egg. Add some water and stir. Okay? This process is very crucial. Jewel, we whisk. No, stir. Yeah. Mix them. Very nice. Good. So you mix some water with the egg. This is the egg wash. This is the
egg wash.
We have flour, egg, and breadcrumbs. Okay? So we'll be dipping our eggs into the flour, egg wash, then breadcrumbs. We'll repeat the process twice for our scotched eggs to be more crispy. So you start with the flour, mix, then egg wash, roll it in, then to the breadcrumbs, mix with the other spoon. Make sure the breadcrumbs is all over, covered. So we repeat the process again from here. Jewel, do it. Flour, mix. Egg wash. Make sure the egg wash covers the scotched egg. Yes. And then next step. Breadcrumbs. So use different spoons. Make sure the breadcrumbs covers the egg everywhere. So I repeat the same process. My egg. Okay. So our egg is ready. We'll do the same process. Cover. So we repeat the process from the flour. So as you can see, we have our beautiful eggs ready for deep frying. Ready for frying. Okay, you wash your hands after this. So we say the most important number one lesson in cooking class is what? Washing your hands before and after. Our oil is smoking, but if you want to test if the oil is hot, just have some breadcrumbs, and so if it bubbles, know the oil is hot. We'll deep fry our scotched eggs in, put it in. Nice. And next, yes, make sure you drop it in very slowly so that the oil does not splash. Okay, so we'll deep fry our scotched eggs for 3 to 5 minutes on medium hot until golden brown. Until golden
Brown.
yeah, very nice. After 5 minutes, our scotched eggs are done. Which color is this?
Golden brown.
Golden brown. Okay, help me remove this. Yes, make sure you shake off the excess oil. Yeah, so to drain off the oil, we put on a paper towel to drain off the oil. So, to see the surprise inside. The surprise?
Inside.
Wow. So there we have our scotched egg. So for you to enjoy, you use some sauce. Some?
Sauce.
Yeah, too much sauce. Then, Jewel, will you?
What is that?
Barbecue sauce. Barbecue?
So,
Okay.
I
Yeah, very yummy. Very yummy. Very yummy. Taste our scotched egg. Is it yummy?
yeah.
Should daddy taste? Give daddy a taste of these. Very nice. This is my all-time favorite sauce. Okay. Now can you make a scotched egg?
Yes.
Okay, thank you.